My name is Nicole.
My name is Chris, and we're from Concord.
So we began our search online and looked at different contractors in the Bay Area and looked at different reviews online and narrowed it down to Green Bay based on testimonials that we saw, specifically referencing Ariel. And so we gave them a call and asked him to come out, and he listened to all of our needs, asked a lot of questions, was able to answer all of our questions as well. And when we talked about timing, which was very, very quick, we needed this done based on a new home purchase. We needed the work done and started within a week. And based on that experience of seeing the good reviews, great interaction with Ariel and listening to our concerns, as well as giving us great recommendations, we decided to move forward quickly. After
meeting with Ariel for the first time, he was very detailed in the process. That the work was also going to be detailed, so that was important to us.
One of the experiences that we really appreciated was we are busy people and professionals. We just don't have the time to search out materials or permits, and Ariel was tremendous with that. He, as a part of the package, works and gets all of the permits, does all of that busy work, and he did it very, very quickly, and a turnaround time. It was very professional and done well.
You know, I'll go back on the permit. We, as Nicole said, we had a quick timeline, and after we set the date, Ariel was able to get the time to get the permit, started the project right on time. The other interesting part was, just as we're so busy, finding the right materials. We really didn't have time to go around and look for the materials that we wanted. We knew what we were looking for, and Ariel actually set us up with the right suppliers at a great price, and we were very happy that he was able to provide that service, and we got amazing product at a great price.
The crew arrived on time every day. They were very polite, very clean. We were living in our home during the remodel, and it was seamless. He cleaned up all of the materials every day and was a pleasure to work with.
So the crew that was on site and the project manager really connected every day. You could tell they had a great bond. They were really one. And I really didn't know the difference between the two.
You know, I think speaking of that, you know, I hear a lot of projects have hiccups or issues or permitting issues, things like that, and we didn't experience any of that, and if they did happen, we didn't know about it. Ariel was just great at making the process as seamless as possible for us, and from a customer service perspective, much appreciated from us, but difficult to find these days, so much appreciated. If we had another project, we would call Ariel in a heartbeat. We are considering another one within the next year or so. No question, we would work with Green Bay and Ariel again in the future.
I really want to highlight the importance of having a project manager. Ariel made it seamless. He was here every day. He really lined things up that, as working professionals, we would not have the time to do. He made sure that everything was on time to the extent of very high quality. So I really appreciate having a project manager, and would recommend a project manager to anybody. For anybody watching the video, I would highly recommend Green Bay, using them. They've been great customer service. The project is finished. It's amazing. Highly recommended.
We love our bathroom.